I will be using the book It Viv from the Piney Pals Decodable book series. If you don't have this book, that's okay. You can use any decodable book that focuses on short vowel I. I'm going to be saying 3 words. I want you to listen very carefully with your ears because I want you to be able to tell me what sounds you hear alike in each one of these words. I will say the word, you will echo the word. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Bin, it, wig. What sound do you hear alike in each one of these words? That's right. You hear the I sound. Let's grab our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we make that sound. Grab your mirror and hold it up to your mouth, and I want you to say I. When you make this sound, your mouth was smiling and your mouth was open. Now, I want you to make the sound again, but this time I want you to put your hand gently on your throat, and I want you to make the sound with me. Here we go. I. Did you feel that vibration? So did I. That tells us that I is a voice sound. Now, when we make the sound I, our mouth is open and we're smiling, and we know it's a voiced sound. Go ahead and put your mirrors away. I want you to use your eyes. I'm going to write some words on the board, and I want you to be able to tell me what letter you see that's alike in each one of these words. B-I-N. I-T. W-I-G. What letter do you see alike in each one of these words? Right again. You see the letter I. Now, I want you to look very carefully and tell me what letter you see after I. N, T, and G. Each one of those are consonants, aren't they? So when you have an I followed by a consonant, you're going to read that I as I. Today, we will be focusing on short vowel I. Let's read each one of these words. Bin, it, wig. When you read the book, It Viv, you will have a chance to practice short vowel I, and you will have a chance to say I. Remember, when you say I, your mouth is open, it's smiling, and it's a voice sound. Thank you so much for joining me today, and remember, you've got this.